In this video, I'm going to be doing an AliExpress and Shein haul. So to get started, I'm going to start with the AliExpress stuff. To get started, I got some of these Kuromi stickers. I got quite a bit of stickers, but I got too many of the Kuromi stickers. I got the black and purple ones and just the regular purple. I think I have more in this. I have some more. I really want to do some Kuromi nail art. Like, I'm gonna do a whole bunch of them, so I just want to use all those different styles but within different sets. This one is really pretty though. I like the purple cherries, and this one has the pink cherries. Let me just show you the other one. This one is the black and pink Kuromi, and this one has pretty much the same types of stickers. I'm not a fan of pinks. I'm probably going to do a set with these last, or maybe just not at all. But these are so cute. If I'm sounding crazy, it's because I have bronchitis. So there's a lot going on right now. I got these and I can't wait to use them for Valentine's Day. This will be the first set I do for Valentine's Day. And I might even do it in the last week of January. I don't think I'm going to do too many Valentine's Day nail sets because there's only so much you can do. I feel like it's just the same thing over and over. So in order not to get burnt out on doing them, I'm not going to do too much. I think I actually got 2 of these. I think I did these ones, which are the 2D ones. Then I also got some of the raised version, the 5D stickers. Next, I got some of these Hunter x Hunter stickers. If you're not familiar with this, it's an anime. If you do watch the anime, I know it's supposed to be called Hunter x Hunter, but I just can't bring myself to say Hunter x Hunter. I have to say Hunter x Hunter. I'm going to be doing like a series where I do anime inspired nails because I was doing some research. I was seeing that not many people do anime nails, and I feel like because I can draw characters, I'd be able to do some sort of anime set. And I'm also going to do simplified versions so that if you're at home and you want to do something anime related, you don't have to bust out all the brushes and draw characters. This sheet of sticker has most of the main characters. I don't see Kurapika here, which is kind of crazy, but other than that, this is a nice sticker sheet. Next, I had to get myself some of these Rick and Morty stickers. They were just really well done, so I had to get them. I was looking for them in other characters and other TV shows and stuff, but I couldn't find any but these. I cannot wait to use them. They are super vibrant. Let me even take them out so you can see how well that these stickers were done. Like, they are so vibrant. I have this design as a shirt, and this sticker itself is more vibrant than my shirt. I need to find whatever brand this is because they're the ones that have the cartoon nail stickers. I need all of them. Next, I got these Adventure Time ones. I'm probably not going to use this. It's just more so that I recognized it. I know the show, so I got it. But I might not even do an Adventure Time nail set. I mean, I just might. The stickers are pretty cool. They're just not the best designs that they could have picked. But either way, I do like these. Oh, and I got some more Kuromi stickers. This is just the basic black and pink and white, and there's some purple up here, and then there is what I'm assuming are sweet treats down here. But yeah, I can't wait to use all of these stickers. I mean, I just buy and buy and buy, and then I never use it. But 2023, I'm not spending any more money. You're not going to see too many hauls. You're not going to see too much spending because I did far too much of that in the last quarter of last year. So I'm going to take it easy. All of these things that I've actually bought, I got these last year. It's just I didn't have time to do a haul, so I'm doing it now. But I haven't ordered anything so far into 2023 as far as nail related, and I hope to keep it that way. Next, I got myself a crap ton of charms, and I don't know why I just put that all on there. I got some of these angel charms, which I've already actually gotten some of these from AliExpress. So I didn't need to get these. It's just that the design on these were a tad different, so that's why I got it. This is a close-up of it. Hopefully my camera will focus. It's just the angel pretty much sitting down with its hand on its cheek. And then I moved them from this area because I realized it's gonna get kind of confusing trying to pick from that pile. But I got these angel charms in a different style and a different color. The all white ones are kind of hard to see. I'm gonna put these onto some green nails. I think I'm just seeing green, so I might do a green nail set using these ones. I also got the same thing but in silver, and I think this is the exact same one as the last two, but this one has a kind of pearlish finish to it. And then I got these, which I don't remember the design, so I'm about to find that out now. So this is the same design as the first one. The angel's sitting down with its hand on its cheek. I really like these. These are my favorite one. I like the gold finish to it. Well, let me rephrase. I like the type of gold that they use for this. It's not that yellow gold. That is it for the angel charms. And then I'm gonna show you like the Sanrio craze that I went on as far as picking the charms that are all Sanrio related. So I got myself some of these. I went crazy on these mostly because I got this around 11:11, and these were like, I want to say it was like $1.10. So I said, yep, I'm having some of these and I'm gonna get more than I need. These are pretty big though, so if I do use these, it would be that I just use the one and not a whole bunch on a few different nails. Next, I got some of these. I really like these. They are small, first of all, and they're just super cute. So it's Kuromi just holding a heart. These would go really well with the pink stickers I showed earlier on. Next, I got these. These are pretty much the same as the last ones, just that Kuromi is not holding a heart. But they are nice and small. And with these, you can use a couple and it won't be too bulky on the nails. I don't mind a kawaii set. The first time I did one, I did like a OTT, over the top kawaii set, which I just wanted to see how I'd like wearing it as an extreme form. But I know that if I do another one, I like it to be minimal. Not too many charms, but still enough so that it looks like a kawaii set. Next, I got all of these black ones. I had this in my cart for like 2 months and the seller kept getting taken down or something. I don't know exactly what was going on, but every time I tried to find it, I couldn't find it, and I would find them under like a different name. If you want these, act fast because they will get taken down. I'm assuming it's because these are all third-party things that they're not supposed to be selling. Thank you for selling them, because I don't know where I would find Kuromi nail charms if it wasn't for AliExpress. But these are also very tiny and very cute. Next, I got some of these. I don't know who I seen this from. I know I saw this from someone, so I ended up getting it. Let me know if I seen it from you, because I know I watched somebody haul these, but I don't remember who it was. But it's Hello Kitty dressed as Sully from Monsters Inc. These are on the bigger side, but they're not too bad. Of course, I had to get these. This is Hello Kitty dressed as Mike. This one is just so funny to me, like the one eye. These are super cute. I just gotta think of what I want to do with them though. Not quite sure, because I'd like to do a set with both of them, both Mike and Sully. So I'm gonna have to brainstorm something. I really do like the quality of these. They're not all scratched off. Sometimes there's issues with like the paint or the printing, but these are pretty good. Next, I have these ones, but in the black version. I was trying to tell myself, just pick one. Either pick the black or pick the purple. Couldn't choose, so I picked both. Next, I got these. These were hidden, but I think these are the biggest ones that I got as far as the Sanrio charms. I'm probably gonna have to rescind that statement because I'm seeing something else that looks pretty big in the corner. But This is just an assortment of different Hello Kitties in different outfits and just different colors. So there's some of these that are like the clearish color with glitter in them. And then there are the white colored ones, the solid color ones. I also got some of these. It's from the same seller and it's supposed to be a 10 random assortment of these Sanrio characters. I seen this on Sandra Sparkly sets, and in the picture on AliExpress the assortment looked a lot better. I believe Sandra got a really good assortment. Mine wasn't the best. I thought I would see a Kuromi in here, but because it is all from the same seller, I'm sure they saw all the other Kuromi stuff and they were like, she doesn't need it. I'm happy with the quality. I was just kind of low-key expecting some of these to be scratched up. If you watched my last AliExpress haul, you'll see that some of my charms, they came in a bad way. They were scratched up, just a lot was going on, but these all seem to look really good. No issues with the paint, not too much smudging, and the smudging I do see, I can probably just wipe it off with a lint-free wipe and some alcohol. I had to get some of these. They just shine so crazy. In the pictures they look like they shine really well, but in person they shine even more. I had to get both pink and clear, and I'm going to show you, if I can get it open, I'm going to show you how much they shine. I also got some of these Barbie heads, and I'll put them in the tray because the silver ones you can't really see that much because the bag is silver. I also got this box of charms. However, I only got these box of charms just for the Barbie heads. I can't find these by themselves anywhere on AliExpress, and this was the only way I could find them. It was $6.99 for this whole box. I'm sure I'll use other stuff in here, but all that matters is that I could find these Barbie heads in there, and there's 5 of the light pink and then there's 5 of the hot pink. If anyone knows where I can get these by itself, please let me know. The other stuff are just your random kawaii charms, just the stuff that we've all seen. These right here remind me of Barbie dolls, and when you would have like a Barbie doll and customize her clothes and give her jewelry and stuff. I probably will never use these. They just look, I don't know, would you guys put these on nails? They're not bad, it's just that they look really cheap. And then there are some of these bears. I'm not really a fan of these, however I may use them one day. So this is all that comes in this kit. It's a pretty good kit and it is worth $6.99. The last thing I have from AliExpress is this, and I'm not really pleased with this one. This could have been just my fault, but I hate the fact that it's 2 different pinks. It actually would work out perfectly for the Barbie heads because there's that light pink and dark pink. But I didn't see this in the picture. I didn't realize it was 2 different pinks. However, it is really cute. I just wish that it was one solid pink. Now that I'm looking at it up close, I think it's 3 different pinks. Hold on. I think it's like there's a purplish pink, a light pink, then a hot pink. Let me know if I'm seeing things. That is 3 different pinks, right? I don't know if you guys can see it very well on camera, but me looking down at it, it looks like 3 different pinks. And if it is, that kind of sucks. That was it for the AliExpress stuff. Now I'm going to be doing the Shein stuff. For the Shein stuff, it's not nail art, it's more like nail storage stuff. So this right here is a cup warmer, but I'm going to be using this to melt well, let me not say melt, hold on. Not melt, but warm some of my nail products because it is cold, and sometimes working with cold products is a nightmare, especially gel polishes. When it's thick, it just doesn't perform very well, so I'd like to have this on the side of my nail table just running so that I could just put whatever I'm going to use on top of it. I'm going to use it for builder gels, just pretty much anything that gets a little bit hardened during the winter time. So I thought this was broken, but I figured it out. It only works on a flat surface like a tabletop with nothing on top of it, and there also needs to be weight on it, so you'd have to put like a couple polishes on there, which is ideal because usually when I'm doing a set I don't just use one color, I use a couple. Next I got these containers. Let me zoom out. Wow, there is always way too much road rage happening outside my house, but if you don't have these, go get these. I think these were $2 each, and I think this is like a 3 ounce, 2.5 ounce container. There is a little bit of glitter in here. I wanted to see if it would house my Southern Glitter Shine glitters, but it only goes like up to here, just like 2/3 of the way. But these are super great. You can mix your acrylics in here, you can put glitters, you can just put every single thing in here. And I love that it's a black top. I do need to go back and buy more of these because I didn't realize how big they were. I thought they were smaller, but because they are so big, I'm gonna get more of these. I got myself one of these brush holder thingies, and that's because I'm tired of just setting my brush down off the edge of my table. I've had many times where it's brushed against my clothing, and then I come to find out once I wash it, it doesn't come out. So I needed to get myself one of these so that it's out of the way and not hanging off the edge of my table. I also got another one. This one can also double as a liquid holder. So if you wanted to put acetone in here, not acetone, sorry, if you wanted to put alcohol in here for your polygel sets or some monomer, but I don't think I'm going to use it for that. I think I'm just going to solely use it to put my brushes in like this so that it's out of the way and not brushing against my clothes. Next I got some Swatch sticks, or I should say a lot of Swatch sticks. My focus this time was on the coffin shaped ones. I don't have any of the coffin shaped ones, and I kind of want to use these when I'm practicing nail art instead of wasting a nail tip. I got some of these cards. I believe these are used for businesses, like if you're a small business and you like to write something personalized. But I got these to store my foils, and I also got this book so that I could put the foils in here. I'm hoping they fit. I'm assuming they're gonna fit, but I've seen this on I'm Biscuit's channel and I'm Just Nikki's channel. What I've seen them do is just wrap the foil around the card and then fasten it with a, what's that thing? A paper clip. And they fasten it with a paper clip and then they just put it into the book, which is just a really nice way of storing it. You can see what foils you have, and I just can't wait to do that. I just think it's going to be the most relaxing thing to do. I do need to get some paper clips though. I thought I have some, but I don't have any. The last thing I got was this clear book, and this is just a book to put your stickers in. I was just about to say that I like these, but there's not many pages, and I just ripped a page. I just cost myself a page because I was being rough. But I've shown these before, and it's just pretty much your basic book. But that is pretty much it for this haul. That is everything I got from AliExpress and Shein. I'll put everything in the pinned comment, and if you like this video, like, comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching.